PMI CPMAI practice test. You know what they never show you in those fancy AI demo videos? The messy part. The part where you have dirty data, mismatched columns, and dates that look like someone smashed a keyboard. That is data preparation. It is not glamorous, but it is where real projects win or lose. Quick reminder, this is just a part of the complete course. You can get the link in the description for the complete practice questions with explanations, which will help you get your certification. I have also put a link to my Udemy practice test. It has 550 plus questions just like these. Section 4, Data Preparation, Cleaning the Mess. Welcome back, my friend. I hope you are ready to get your hands dirty. We finished data understanding. We know our data is messy, incomplete, and weird. Now we fix it. This is phase 3, data preparation. Here is a number you need to remember. In real AI projects, you spend 80% of your time here. Not building models. Not deploying. Just cleaning, merging, and formatting data. Why so much time? Because real-world data is born messy. It comes from different systems, different people, and different decades. Your job is to make it all speak the same language. So, what do we actually do in data preparation? First, we select the data we actually need. Not every column is useful. Drop the irrelevant stuff. Customer ID. Keep it. Favorite color. Probably drop it. Be ruthless. Second, we clean the data. This is the hard work. We handle missing values. We fix typos. We remove duplicates. We standardize formats. If a date column has 3 formats, we pick one and convert everything. Third, we construct new features. This is called feature engineering. Raw data is rarely perfect. You might need to combine first name and last name into full name. You might need to calculate age from birthday. You create new columns that help your model learn better. Fourth, we integrate data from multiple sources. Sales data comes from one database. Customer data comes from another. You join them together like puzzle pieces. This is harder than it sounds. Fifth, we format the data properly. Your model expects numbers, not text. You convert categories into numerical values. You scale numbers so they all live in the same range. You make everything ready for the algorithm. Now let me tell you about a mistake I made myself. I was building a churn model, and I had a column called customer tenure. Some values were in months, some were in years. I did not notice. My model thought customers with 1 year of tenure were the same as customers with 1 month. Terrible mistake. I caught it during validation, but I lost 3 days. That is data preparation. It is boring, it is slow, and it is absolutely necessary. Also, watch out for data leakage. This is a sneaky killer. Data leakage happens when you accidentally give your model information from the future. For example, you normalize your data using the mean of the whole dataset. But in the real world, you do not know the future mean. You must split your data first, then normalize only on the training set. Leakage makes your model look perfect in testing and useless in production. Alright, let us see if you can spot these traps in the exam questions. 1. A team spends weeks cleaning data and creating perfect features. What is the biggest risk they might have missed? They might have introduced data leakage without realizing it. Using future information to clean past data creates false confidence. Your test scores look amazing, but real performance is terrible. 2. You have a column with customer income. Some values are missing. What is usually the worst method to handle these missing values? Deleting every row with a missing income value. You lose too much valuable data this way. Only delete rows if missing values are random and few. Otherwise, impute carefully. 3. What is the main purpose of feature engineering during data preparation? To create new information from raw data that helps your model learn patterns. Raw data is rarely ready for algorithms. You combine fields, extract parts, and calculate ratios. This gives your model better clues. 4. You are merging customer data from two different databases. One uses M and F for gender. The other uses male and female. What must you do? Standardize both columns into one consistent format before merging. Computers see M and male as totally different things. You must map them to the same category, or your merge creates duplicates. 5. A data scientist normalizes all numerical columns using the min and max of the entire dataset. Why is this incorrect? The min and max from the full dataset include future test data, causing leakage. You must calculate normalization parameters using only training data. Then apply those same parameters to test data. Never mix them. See, this is why data preparation is the heavyweight champion of AI projects. It is not flashy, but it wins fights. If you want to see my personal data preparation workflow, I teach it step by step in my Udemy course. I also sell a data preparation cheat sheet on my Etsy store. It lists all the common cleaning steps with examples. Very useful when you are stuck at 2 in the morning. Both links are waiting for you in the description below. Now I have a question for you. What is the messiest data you ever had to clean? Was it dates? Names? Email addresses? Tell me your horror story in the comments. I promise I have seen worse. Do not forget to hit subscribe. Section 5 is about model development. That is the part everybody thinks they know, but most people get wrong. You want to be ready for it. I will see you in the next video. Keep your data clean and your models honest.